to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is speaking about what she will be doing to ring in the new year. And she's also addressing the landlord, Erica, because Erica had posted a picture of her son. And she's saying that, that's not facing her. And she is still going to be dressing up how she wants to. And, that's not whatever Erica is doing is not going to stop her from doing what she has to do. So go ahead and go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, my family, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. And remember, this is the last day of December. We will be ringing in the new year in a couple of hours. Have yourselves a beautiful one now.
Okay. Okay. May I eat my dinner? May I eat my dinner? Wait until when I reach up. And I reach home and settle. Then I come back for the beach. Then I ask you a question. Then what does that gonna do to me when you take my son detail and post on social media? Then look how much time a dirty boy post him. Stale news. Bitch ass landlord. So good. Dirty girl. Get a life. How much time you're gonna repost the same picture over and over? What does that have to do with me? What does that have to do with me? Am I a picture upon it? No. Is that my son? Yes. What does that gonna take away? Is that gonna take away for me to sit in a fine ass restaurant like this and enjoy my life, looking good, smelling good, and looking like a blood clot $1 million bitch? Where you there? You sit down in a one old blood clot veranda out a door in a dirt with 3 mongrel dog and a man when I want you. We can't carry to a decent restaurant. You switch back me there? Me sit down in a one fine ass restaurant eating my nice food. Lobster. Take a look at me and take a look at you. Me living my life, you know I live none. Me in a one nice fine dining restaurant eating my gourmet food. Bitch, lobster. Where you posting CJ picture? What that told you to me? And me a ring in the new year with me expensive dress. My man down my side, everything, and my buckle of blood clot champagne. In a one nice bomber clot hotel room out of town. Where you there? Where John got you carry you? In your auntie house? Or give you a backers? While me in a nice hotel room tomorrow celebrate New Year's? Where somebody will see every time, every day? Where you there? So when you dash that out, what that all do? What that all dash out? You dash out? You don't have no more for dash out? You don't have no more for dash out. Keep dash not the same picture. After me, it's my son. My son. And him look better. All when him in a jail, him look better than your pitney. Yes. Let me wear my plastic jewelry. Iron blood clot see from Macy's department, $50 for it. This one is from Chanel, from Saks Fifth Avenue. Yes, my dear. Me $48,000 wig.
So it's actually last call right now.
Okay, I want one more.
You want another of those?
Yes.
So I'm going to bag any of this up for you?
Yes, the mac and cheese, yes.
Not the salad.
No, not the salad. Yeah. I gave it up already because I can't, even though I order the food, but I cannot eat a lot one time. I can drink a lot, but I can't eat a lot because I am on the Ozempic weight loss medication, and it is working. You see? You see? So it is working. I lost a lot of weight on it. It worked. So me have to eat little, small portion. Like maybe me go back to eat one other, maybe tomorrow. But me can't drink a lot. We can do a lot of drinking, but not a lot of eating. Thank you. Yes, my dear, I'm big like a truck, me strong. That's nobody can take liberty of me. I think this is gonna caught up in me. Catch up.
Well, that's the thing. They're delicious, though.
I know. I hope it didn't double it up.
No.
Oh my gosh. This motherfucker going to put about $100, you know. But actually, it's a rasa going to put about $100. No one will remember me. So what I do over here? This shit is good. I did a good sleep. I did a good sleep. Oh, this is good. I must remember this one. It's very refreshing.
for you whenever you are ready.
Okay, thank you. Oh, not bad. 75, it's okay. Ross. It look like say. It look like say this a Ross a creep up on me already. Then I order my people worry about my sunglasses. Then me want to know if I them a wear it or me. No, sir. They don't know no faster. You need to go because this a foolishness. You can't come over here and laugh of a big deal, Marcia. That's not work. We are blocking from my channel. Yeah, Jesus love you too. Jesus love me. You now come over. You now come over here, come laugh for me. Not a bumble clot. Nobody now come on my page, come laugh for me. Not a Ross. You go. Let me stroll and see how many need to block. Let me see. Me now make nobody come stress me out. Me I eat my lovely dinner. And I take me nice little drink. Nobody now come over here and disrespect me for my page. You must say mad. You must say crazy. Me I look for one and black or no. You're bright and out there. Come over here and laugh. You can't come over here and laugh for people who live their life. Why not easy? People, me have a piece of story for boss here today. Yeah. Me have a piece of story for boss. The dirty drunk boy 360 when named Duffy Salman. Him still a so pussy if he live somewhere. Guess which part the boy live? Me just get an understanding. It look like Janet still a put him up. You know, see a Janet yard him there. Me screenshot some picture with some old shoes when by a thrift shop. The boy that Janet make you walk so. Me blood clot. Janet still a put up a boy. People, me just realize me make the boy come and show which part him there. The boy say him not pay no mortgage, him not pay no rent, him only pay taxes. Me just realize Janet still a put up the boy said we him show the piece of Louis Vuitton bag and the old Swift shop shoes them. The loafer shoes look like him it look like when Janet sell the house in Florida. Janet buy one little seaside thing and one little something and the boy still a blood clot. Leave Janet and make you walk like so. Me bumbo clot. Huh? Janet and make you walk like so. Janet, then I make you walk like so. Eh? Then I make you put him up so. What happened? He look like you keep the baby. Oh, you keep the baby, that's why you put him up. Da 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 da. I have a blood clot news for boss out here. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Members only. Janet still a put up the boy in a quarter, said we. The boy that Janet play second place, so Janet buy. Yes, my dear. When I reach back home and settle, I come in for your blood clot, yeah. Yes, like come drink 2 glasses alcohol, yeah. I come in for you. Me not afraid of you. Yes, my dear. Ashanti 360 known of suck pussy boy. Him still that Janet place said where Janet put up the boy. Janet make you walk close up. Me bumbo clot. Oh. How your baby name? Toilet bowl. Oh. Dirty boy. Don't fuck yourself with me. Me pass Miss Cleo. The boy in a Janet new place where Janet buy. The boy, Janet still a put up the boy said we to bumbo clot. People, Janet still a put up the boy said we. The boy that Janet place. You no learn. You no learn. You don't Ross learn. You no learn, Janet. Then I saw your self-esteem low. You still a put up the boy said we. I make the boy come have a show off the independent black woman. Hey, people. Me make the boy come out and I show which part him there. And when me look, the same piece of something named Janet Louis Vuitton bag them some old shoes, some old crepe, him dirty stove when cook pan, a flat stove, a Janet house him there. It look like Janet buy one like a beach house somewhere. The boy that Janet yard same way. Not the second house what she buy. Me blood clot. No, sir. What you mean, say, are you okay? Believe me, people. Janet still supporting the boy. I don't need a ride. I am good. Janet putting up the boy said we in him second part. Somebody send come tell me. Yes, you Maxine. May I reach out to you, Maxine? What is the name of Janet name? Where Janet name? Let me find him property. Where Janet last name, full last name. What's her name? Let me find her property. Anyway, a blood clot property in Florida, may I find that Ross. What's her name? Write her name. What is her correct name? You can find that blood clot and prove it. I'm gonna show you so don't fuck with Marcia Campbell. Maxine, what is Janet name? Me know me that chat me agree. What is Janet name? We're going to do some investigation around here. The dirty boy there, Janet yard. What is Janet full correct name? We're going to find her blood clot property. We have people in high places and real estate and all. We're going to find it. As long as she have a blood clot house registered in America, England, or Canada, me find that blood clot. Somebody send come tell me what her full name is. Before me go dig up other paperwork. Me can't bother search because I have a piece of paper, a code paper. What is her full name? Somebody write her full name for me. I go and find that blood clot property. And if you're there, you're going to get exposed.